So the first step is take an A4 sheet, a color A4 sheet. After this, you have to take one corner and fold it towards the end like this. Take one corner and fold it towards the end like this. After this, you have to cut the remaining part like this. If you cannot cut it like this, you can also draw a line and cut. You can draw a line and cut. Like this. I'll repeat this step again 2 times. Then you will get a square like this after cutting. I'll repeat this step again for you. Take an A4 sheet, take the corner and fold it towards the end like this. Towards like this. Then like the before one, you just have to cut the remaining part. Take a scale, draw a line like this and cut. After cutting, you will get a square like the one we did before. I'm going to do it again. Take the corner, fold it towards the end like this to the line. Make sure there's no gap left in the corners.
Riddhi, can you just go a little slow, Riddhi?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Because some of the kids are messaging on chat.
Okay, ma'am. This is your A4 sheet. Take one corner and fold it towards this line. Make sure there is no gaps left in the corners, like this. And gently press it. I will repeat it again. This is your A4 sheet. Take a corner and fold it towards this line.
How many papers we have to take?
You have to take 6 papers and do this. You have to take 6 papers and do this. Repeat it 6 times.
Okay.
I'll show this again. Take an A4 sheet. Fold one corner to the line and make sure there is no gaps here. It's perfectly to the line and gently press it. I'll repeat it last time. This is your A4 sheet. Take one corner, fold it towards the end to the line. Make sure there is no gaps and gently press. You have to repeat this for 6 papers. Then after doing this, you have to just draw a line and cut the remaining part like this. Like this. The remaining part, I'm going to cut it. I have my 3 squares ready. You have to do this for 6 papers. I have done it for 3. You have to do it for 6. Can I move to the next step?
No, ma'am.
No,
Wait for 2 minutes.
no, please wait for 2 minutes.
Shall I repeat this step again?
Yes, quickly if you can repeat, that'll be better.
Yes. Okay, so this is your sheet. Take a corner like this and fold it towards the line like this.
Miss, do next step.
Yeah, we will wait for the others to finish, then we will move to the next step. Like this. I'll repeat it again. Take one corner, fold it towards the parallel line, this line, and cut the remaining part. Cut the remaining part like this. You have to draw a line. Open this. Open this and you have to cut this line. I'm going to repeat it again. Take a corner, fold it towards this end like this. Make sure there is no gaps left in the corner and gently press. Like this. And cut the remaining part. I'll repeat it last time once again.
I think everybody's done, Riddhi.
Yeah, then I'll move to the next step.
Yes.
Take one square. Are you all done with all the 6 squares? Are you done cutting all the 6 squares?
Put
Yes,
your thumbs up.
No,
Thumbs up. Don't mute yourself.
Yes, we are done.
Yes.
Not done.
Yes. Next, we'll move
Okay,
to the next
Arna is
step.
not done. Just Riddhi,
Yeah,
wait for
done.
2 minutes.
No problem, ma'am.
Those who are not done, just quickly finish it in 2 minutes.
I have 2 more papers.
Okay, Arna, quickly do it.
After you're all done, we will move to the next step.
I'm done.
Good job.
done.
Done.
Done. I am done.
I am done.
I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
I am doing.
Okay, I think Riddhi, everybody's done. You can move to the next
Yeah,
step.
I'll move to the next step. After this, take a square, then fold it into half like this. I'll repeat it. This is your square, and you just have to fold it into half. Repeat with the others. Take a square. Repeat the same with all the 6. Now fold it into half again. Like this. Take the other square and fold it into half. Make sure there is no gaps in the corners. It's perfectly to the line. Are you all able to follow?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Superb. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Take the other square, fold it into half. Take the other square.
What are we supposed to do?
You have to cut 6 squares the step before and fold all the 6 like this and open it. All the 6. So you should be ready with 6 squares folded.
I finished.
You should be ready with all the 6 squares. No problem.
I'm done.
Good job.
I'm done.
I have done, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Are you done?
I have done, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
You should be ready with 6
Done,
squares.
ma'am.
Are you all done with this step?
Yes.
Yes. No. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Prachi ma'am, can I go to the next step?
No.
You just give 1 minute, everybody catch up, and after 1 minute, Riddhi will start with the next one.
I'll do this step again once. This is your paper. The first thing you did was you folded this till the line. and you cut the remaining part. This was your first step.
Ma'am, we have to do this again.
No, this was your first step. I'm showing it from first. For the people who did not understand, I'm showing it for them. This was your first step. You converted a rectangle into a square like this by cutting the excess part, and you got a square. After this, the second step which we are doing now was you just have to fold it into half. After this, let everyone finish, then we will move to the next step.
Excuse me,
Yes?
Ma'am, finish.
is there a YouTube link to this?
There's
you
some
repeat?
error in the YouTube right now, but I will upload it later on YouTube.
Okay. Thanks.
Prachi ma'am, please let me know when to move to the next step.
Yeah, everybody's done, then just put your thumbs up. Don't unmute yourself. Put your thumbs up or down. Arna, are you done? Okay, Riddhi, you can start with the next one. Most of them are done.
Yes, ma'am. After this step, you have to take one corner, upper corner, and fold it towards the middle line. The one which we folded, this is the middle line, and you have to take one corner and fold it towards the middle line like this. After folding, you have got a triangle. Repeat the same with the other. Take the other corner and fold it to the middle line like this. You will get another triangle. You will get two triangles after folding. I will repeat this step again. You have to repeat this for all the 6 papers. This is your square. You have to take one corner and fold it to the middle line like this. Are you all able to follow?
Yes.
Then take the other corner and fold it towards the middle line. Repeat with all the 6. And gently press like this. I'm going to repeat this step again. This is your middle line. Take one corner and fold it towards the middle line. Like this. Take the other corner and fold it towards the middle line.
What are we making?
We are making an hexagon pen stand. See this one.
Wow. Got it.
It is like umbrella.
take one corner, fold it towards the middle line. I will repeat this step again with all the 6 papers. This is your middle line. Take one corner, fold it towards the middle line like this.
I finished. I'm done with all my 6 papers.
Me as well, ma'am.
I'm done.
Good, very good.
Done, ma'am.
Good. I'm going to repeat this step again. Take one corner, fold it to the middle line like this. Take the other corner and fold it again to the middle line. Make sure there is no gap between both the triangles. This is your middle line. Take one corner and fold it.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Take the other corner and fold. Repeat the same.
Ma'am, done.
Good, very good. So I have got my 6 papers folded.
Is it okay if I use plain paper?
Can you repeat?
Is it okay if I use plain paper?
Yeah, no problem, but you have to maintain the size of the square.
Yes, yes.
Is it can we use regular like printer paper?
Yeah, you can use. You can use magazine sheets, you can use any sheets, but it has to be in the shape of A4.
Yeah.
It has to be A4 paper.
Yeah, it has to be an A4, but the size should be A4. The size should be this, but it can be any paper.
Yeah.
Got it.
But you have to cut it into a square. The first step I did.
Yeah, I get it.
Done, ma'am.
Good, very good.
Ma'am, done.
Good.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Very good. Prachi ma'am, shall we move to the next step?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we move to the next.
Okay, so take one of your sheets and the excess part, the remaining part, you have to fold till this end. Till where your triangle stop, where your triangle end, you have to fold it till that, like this. Don't go above or below this.
All 6.
All 6. You have to repeat all the steps with all the 6. I'm going to repeat. this is your paper. The remaining part you have to fold till this line where your triangle ends. Like this.
Ma'am, we are done.
Good.
For all the 6?
Yes.
All the 6 you have to repeat all the steps.
No, I'm not done yet.
No problem. I'll wait till everybody finishes with their steps. I'm doing it with you. If you want me to repeat, please tell.
I'm done, ma'am.
This is your remaining sheet. You have to fold.
I'm done.
Done.
Good.
Ma'am, done.
Good, very good.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Good,
done.
very. I'm done with all the 6. If you want me to repeat, please tell.
I'm done. I'm
I'm
done.
done.
I'm done, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, we are done.
Done.
Good, very good. Shall we move to the next step? Tarjanam, should we
Yeah,
move to
Riddhi,
the
can you
next
just
step?
give a minute?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay. No problem, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can everyone just show the 6 pieces on the screen? All together.
2 minutes, ma'am.
Take your time. Great job, Freya. Viana, where are your squares? Nice.
Very nice, everyone.
Oh, great job. Thank you, Riddhi. It's going on amazing. Continue now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody, to pay so much attention. Everybody has done a very good job.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome. Should I move to the next step, ma'am?
Yes, Riddhi.
Yeah. So the next step is, can you see this corner? You have to fold this corner to the middle line again. You have to fold this corner to the middle line. Make sure there is no gaps or no folded in the corners. It should be perfectly straight. Do this, repeat the same with the other. Take this corner, fold it towards the middle line. I'm going to repeat this step again. I'm going to repeat it. This is your corner. Take the corner and fold it towards the middle line.
Is it like this? Do we have to do it with all?
What's your name? What's your name?
Both sides. Do we do it like this?
Can you please tell your name?
I'm Anush. Well, the name that's written for me is Shweta Jain. That's my mom.
Just a minute, I'll check and tell you.
Sure.
Do I have to do it with all?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
How did I do it?
Can you tell me your name?
Snehal Zaiped, that's my dad's name. Did you do it like this?
What's your name?
Arna Sharana.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is this perfect?
No, Arna, see, repeat this step. You have done it a little bit wrong. Arna, this has to be a shape.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you have to open that. Arna, open that. Can you open just till this step? Just open till this step. Perfect, perfect. Now take one corner. Are you able to see mine? I take one corner and you just have to fold it towards the middle line.
Like this?
No, towards the middle line. See, I'll show you. This is your corner, this one, this box, and this triangle is one corner. Just take this and fold it towards the middle line. This middle line. This is your middle line. See, this is your paper. This is your middle line. This is your middle line. Yes, you have to take one corner and just fold it to the middle line.
Like this? Like this?
Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect, Arna.
Ma'am,
Same the other side, Arna. Same the other side.
Ma'am, it is perfect.
Can I know your name?
Suhana. Ma'am, it is perfect.
Can you tell the names and ask if you don't mind, please?
Ma'am, it is perfect. Dr. Mehta.
Wait, everyone, do not unmute yourself. One by one, otherwise nobody will be heard. Sit and chat and I'll call out for you. Okay, who has
Chetna,
questions?
you're perfect. Chetna, you're perfect. Sarika Hirawat, you're perfect. Tanish Jain, you're perfect.
Like this? Yes.
AB 5982, fifth square, you're perfect.
Like this? Like this?
Aditya Kantar is perfect.
Everyone hold it on the screen.
Bhandari is perfect.
Riddhi will see one after the other.
Arya, you're perfect. Arna, you're perfect. Chetna, Aditya, Kanta, you both are perfect. Ansh, can you give me a closer look of your paper? Yes, you're perfect. Ansh, you're perfect. Himesh Bhandari, you're perfect. Shweta Jain, can you show me yours? Can you give me a closer look of one? Yeah, it's perfect. Anybody else?
Ma'am, this is right.
Can you tell me your name?
Ma'am, Vegan Jen.
Ma'am, can you see my
Yeah, it's perfect.
Viana Shah? Is my perfect?
Can you tell me your name?
Sneha iPad.
Is my perfect?
This is my perfect.
Can you all tell one by one?
Navya Mehta.
Can you tell it loudly?
Miss Navya Mehta.
Yeah, you are perfect. Perfect.
Even like mine.
Okay, thanks.
Purvi Sethia, can you show me a closer look? Can you show me the?
Yeah, 1 second.
Like this. Can you see mine, Viana Shah?
Viana, your display name is Khyati.
Ma'am Dharvi.
See my Riddhima Jain and Tanishi Jain.
Can you all just wait for a minute? I'm seeing everybody. Just give me a minute.
Ma'am, can you see Viana's? Can you see mine? Check
Just a second.
How is mine?
Purvi, can you show me a closer look?
Ma'am Dharvi.
It's perfect, Purvi. Who is next?
Miss,
Dhanvi.
can I drink water? Thank you.
Can you?
Who is Dhanvi? Who is
Viana. Check mine. Can you check mine? Can you check
I'll
mine,
repeat.
Viana?
Everyone put your name in the chat. I will call out your name and Riddhi will check it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Check mine.
I'll repeat the step if you want
Viana.
to see again.
I'm done.
Riddhi, can you check Viana's?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell the name again?
Viana.
Diana, ma'am.
Yes.
How do you how do you use the chat?
See, you see the options down on chat.
No, I'm using it on my iPad, so I can't.
There's
Okay.
something that says
I'll
more.
call your
and then
name
it'll
at
say
the end.
chapter, and
What's your name?
then you can see the chat.
Sneha's iPad.
Okay, just wait, okay? Riddhi, are you done with Viana?
Neha's iPad, I'm not able to see your video. Viana, yours is perfect. Viana, yours is perfect.
Now
Neha's
Niyati.
iPad, I'm not able to see your video.
Riddhi, check Niyati, please. Niyati.
Niyati, your video is your camera is stopped. Niyati.
Freya.
Niyati, can you show me your? Can you show me a closer look? I'm not able to see it.
Niyati, your lights are off.
Okay, just hold on. Hold on.
Till then, Riddhi, can you check Freya?
Please turn on bedroom light.
Yes, ma'am. Priya, you are perfect.
Rachit.
Okay, there.
Ma'am, I'll tell the names who are all perfect, ma'am. Is that okay?
Okay, that'll be perfect.
Yeah. Shweta Jain, you are perfect. Dharvi Tater, you are perfect. Can you all show me your papers? Can you all show me once? Just keep it as it is so that I can call out names.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the names I'm calling, they are perfect. Priya, you are perfect. Tanish, you are perfect. Chandrakala Jain, you are perfect. Adna, you are perfect. Priyanka, you are perfect. Chetna, Aditya, Athiya, Kantar, Sarika Hirawat, Viana, Dharvi Tater, Shruti and Yuti. Rachit, can I see your craft? Can I see? Can you Can you bring it closer? Can you
Rachit, you
turn
don't
it-
have lights
turn
on,
it around?
Rachit.
Yeah, it's perfect, Rachit. Purvi Sethia is perfect. Riddhima and Tani is perfect. Anika, you're perfect. Shweta Jain, you're perfect. Niyati is perfect. Navya Mehta, can you show me? Yeah, it's perfect. Atika and Amrita, you're perfect. Amrit, sorry. Himesh Bhandari, can you show me yours once?
Yes, ma'am.
You're perfect. Can I get a closer look? Himesh
Yes.
Bhandari, can I just take one in your hand and show me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's perfect. Snehal's iPad, can you on your camera? Can you on your video?
Yes.
Everyone, please on your videos. Yeah, you're perfect. Snehal's iPad, you're perfect. Riya Lunawat, you're perfect. Arya, you're perfect. Ayan Bora, can you show me your... Yeah, it's perfect, Ayan Bora. Moto G3, can I see yours? Yeah, it's perfect. Arush, can I see yours? Can I have a closer look? Can you turn it? Can you turn it? Yeah, it's perfect. Sarah, can I see yours? It's perfect. Vivan Mehta, you're perfect. Redmi, can I see yours? Yeah, it's perfect. Samya Jain, can I see yours? It's perfect.
Ma'am.
Arav Nahar, can I see yours? Arav Nahar.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the next step?
Just give me a minute. I'll check everybody's. Then we will move to the next step.
Yeah.
Arav Nahar, yeah, perfect. Arav Nahar. Vivan Mehta, you're perfect. Ansh, can you show? Can you all please on your videos? Just for a minute. After this, you can. Just for a minute, please on your videos. Vivan Mehta, Samyak Jain, Vinita, Venus Jain, please on your videos. Araham, Charvi, Yash, Anna. Charvi, can I have a closer look of one? Perfect. Arvi, you're perfect. Vinita, can I see one of yours? Yes, perfect. Vivan Mehta, you're perfect. Everyone is perfect. Indu, can I see yours? Indu, Anna, Venus Jain, and Araham. Only these four. I'll repeat. Indu, Venus Jain, Araham, and Yash. And Anna.
Yash, you there or Divisha?
Ma'am, ma'am, their videos are off, ma'am.
Yeah,
Indu-
that's fine. I think they should have. You can go with the next step.
Okay, ma'am. Anna, yours is perfect, Anna. So now we are moving to the next step. This is your paper which you folded. Now you have to just open the left hand side fold. This is your left hand side. Open the left hand side. Please be Please pay attention to this step. This is your left fold. Open this left fold. And you just have to apply glue here. Only this square. Are you all able to understand? I'm going to tell it again. This is your fold. Open the left corner, open the left fold and apply glue on the left square. Only this, not on the opposite side, only this part.
Okay. May I put tape?
It will not stick if you put tape. It will not be that strong. You just have to apply glue only on this
Is
square.
this glue okay? A glue stick?
Any glue is okay. Liquid glue, any glue is okay. Glue stick is also okay. Glue stick is also okay. Fevicol, glue stick, anything is okay. No tape. If you have no glue, tape is okay. Tape is fine. After applying glue, you have to take this corner and put it inside this. It is like you just have to fold it. It's okay if it comes to this. It's okay if the glue is applied here. You have to fold this.
I did the glue part, but I didn't understand what did you say after.
Yeah, I'm going to repeat the step again once. After applying glue, you have to put it inside and you will get a shape like this. I'm going to show it again. You will get a shape like this after sticking.
How do you do that shape?
This is your paper. You have to open the left folds. Open the left fold. You just have to apply glue. See, this is your paper. You have just opened the left fold, and this is you just have to open a little bit and apply glue this part here. Are you all able to see? You have to apply glue over here.
Okay.
Perfect. Navya Mehta, you are perfect. Very good. Priyanka, you are perfect. I'm going to do it again. Aditya Kantar, you are perfect. I'm going to repeat it again for the people who didn't understand. This is your sheet.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Can I know your name?
Jayant.
Okay, so I'm going to repeat. Jayant, wait a minute. Okay, so this is your sheet. Open the left fold. Open the left fold. I'm going to bring it closer. Open the left fold and apply glue only on this square. On this square. Then you just have to fold this and put the other fold inside this fold like this.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to repeat once again. This was your paper.
This is hard.
I'm going to repeat it again. This is your paper. It's very easy. Just follow step by step. You'll definitely get it. This is your paper. Open the left hand side, left fold like this. Left fold.
Ma'am, is my perfect?
Can I know your name?
Ma'am, Suhana. Can you see?
Suhana and Tanishq, you're perfect.
Can you see Viana Shah's? Viana. Can you please check?
Viana, you are perfect, Viana.
Thanks.
Well done.
All the paper.
Can you check?
You have to repeat with all the 6. You have to repeat with all the 6.
Mom, Dharvi, this is
What are-
perfect.
Can I know your name?
Can you check mine? Purvi.
Can you see mine? Can you check Freya? Can you see my Dharvi?
I'll check Purvi's first. I'll just check Purvi's first. Everybody show, the last time we did, everybody show. I'm going to tell the names who are all perfect. I'll call out the names. Please show. Please, everybody show. I'm going to repeat it again. Then I'll call out the names. Just wait a minute. This is your fold. You just have to open the left hand side. And you open the left hand side. Then you just have to apply glue on this square. Are you all able to see this square?
Yes.
And you just have to apply glue and fold this square, fold this and insert this fold into this. It's like this. It's very simple.
It's enough. Yeah. Okay.
Is my perfect?
Like putting money in your pocket, you just have to put this fold into this pocket. It is like this.
You checked?
How would I do and you like?
This was your fold. I'm going to repeat it the last time. This is your fold. You open the left fold. You have to apply glue over here, and
I don't know how to do it. This is hard.
I'll repeat it again. Just focus, you will get it. Just focus, see. This is your card, okay? This is your folded paper. Are you done till this step?
Yes.
Can I know your name?
Sneha's iPad.
Yeah, just a second, Snehal's iPad. Just a second. Can you show me yours? Can you show me? Yeah, you done with this step, right? Yeah. Now open the left hand side corner. Open the left. Yeah, perfect. That's your right. No, that's your left.
Hello.
Okay, then you have to apply glue here.
Hello.
I
Show me
did.
Snehal's iPad. Yeah, you have to
Can you check
apply
this?
glue on the base.
Post
Apply glue on the base.
Hello.
Only on this square. I'll repeat, Snehal. This is your fold. Open the left side and just open that fold like this.
How much more?
And you just have to apply glue here. I'll apply glue. Just a second.
How much more steps do we have? Because at 12 o'clock I have to leave. I have another class.
We just have one more step to go.
Okay.
You apply glue here and fold it and insert this in the other fold like this. Then you get a shape. You get a shape like a cone, like this. And from here you get a triangle.
Excuse me, is this okay, Viana?
Just a second, Viana. Yeah, it's perfect, Viana. Now I'll call out names. Everybody just give me 2 minutes.
I can't do it.
Can I know your name? Can I know your name? Snehal, are you? Yeah, Snehal, see.
Say that.
Snehal, just see this. Snehal, it's very easy. Just do it with me. This is your paper, right? Right?
Speak.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Snehal, see. You just have to open the left hand side. Open the left hand side. Snehal, do it with me. You'll get it. Open the left hand side and open that left hand side a little bit. A little bit. You can put your finger into that fold. See? See, Snehal, this is your fold. You open the left hand side. Yes, perfect. Yeah, perfect, Snehal. Yeah, perfect.
Hello?
Now you just have to apply glue on the base. It's like you just have to apply glue on this square.
They're crying. They're hearing you.
Can you show me a closer look, Snehal?
Here.
Snehal,
Ma'am, is this perfect?
Hello, this is Ayan. Is this right?
I'll call out everybody's names, the people who are done and perfectly.
Ma'am, is this perfect?
Just give me 2 minutes. I'll just teach the people who could not do it, and then we will move, and then I'll call out names.
Ma'am,
Snehal,
Ma'am,
Ayan, you're perfect.
perfect.
Everyone, just wait for 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes. Snehal, see this. Snehal. Everyone, I'm just helping Snehal to finish. So then afterwards, I'll call out everybody's name. Snehal, look. This is your fold, okay? Yes, are you able to see it perfectly?
Yes.
Yeah. Now you just have to open the left hand side and put a finger inside the left hand side fold. Yes. And just apply glue there. Only where your finger goes, like this. You only have to apply glue here. See, when you fold and when you open the left fold, you have to open this a little bit and apply glue only here. Apply glue here.
I did
I'll
that.
show it to you again, Snehal. This is your fold. You open the left hand side. You can see a gap in between the left. You can open the left like this. Make sure the other fold is closed. You open the left a little bit. Make sure it doesn't tear. And apply glue on the surface, this base. You have to apply glue on the square. Are you able to see my finger?
Yeah.
This square, that's it.
Okay.
Apply glue on this square. Are you done applying glue, Snehal?
Okay, I am putting glue on. I put glue on.
Everyone, just give me 2 minutes. I'm sorry. I'm helping Snehal. After Snehal finishes, I'll call out names.
It is okay, ma'am.
I can see everybody's. You all are perfect. I'll call out names. Snehal, you want help again? If you want, please tell me, Snehal.
Yeah, but like, how do you fold it into the shape?
Yeah, I'll show you. See, have you applied glue here? Have you
Yeah.
applied glue? Yes. Then you just have to close it a little bit gently and put the insert the other fold. Just slide. You just have to slide the other fold inside this. See? That's it. You're done.
Ma'am, please do the next step.
Yeah, just wait for a minute. After Snehal's done, we'll move. Everyone should go together. This is your, Snehal, this was your fold. You open the left hand side. Apply glue here. Yeah, that's perfect, Snehal. Perfect,
Okay.
Snehal. You have to do it for all the 6, Snehal. Everyone, are you all done with all the 6?
Yeah.
Yeah. Snehal had confidence that you finish all the 6.
I wanted to just check mine.
Yeah, I'm going to call out names now. Freya, you're perfect. Tanishk and Suhana, you're perfect. Aryan, can you show? Aryan Bora. Perfect. Chandrakala, can I see your video? Can I see yours? Chandrakala?
Ma'am, is it correct?
Just a second. I'm coming one by one. Jayant, you're perfect. Arna, can I see yours?
Is it correct?
Huh? Priyanka, can I see yours? Arna, Priyanka, Yash, Jain, can I see all of yours? Perfect, Priyanka. Redmi, can I see yours?
Perfect.
Chandrakala, you're perfect. Redmi, can I see yours? Can you show me on screen?
Tanish and Newton.
Redmi, you're perfect. Viana, perfect. Harvi, can I see yours? Harvi, you're perfect. Chetna, you're perfect. Snehal's iPad and Rachit, can you show both of yours? Snehal's iPad.
Perfect.
Snehal's
This
Snehal's
is
iPad is
mine.
perfect.
This is mine.
Can I know your name? Can I know your name?
Navya.
Harvey.
Navya Mehta.
Navya Mehta, can I see yours? She's perfect.
Miss, it is my perfect.
Yeah, yours is perfect, Navya Mehta. You're perfect. Purvi, you are perfect. Harvi,
This
you
is
are
mine.
perfect. I'm taking everybody's name quickly. Please pay attention. Atika and Amrita. Amrit, can I see yours? Atika and Amrit. Yeah, you're perfect, Atika and Amrit. Ridhima and Tani, can I see yours? Chetna, you're perfect. All of you who are telling perfect, you can keep it down. You can show your faces. Ridhima and Tani, can I see yours? Can I have a closer look? Yeah, yours is perfect. Shweta Jain, you're perfect. Himesh Bhandari, can I see yours? Yeah, it's perfect. RV Jain, can I see yours? Niyati, RV Jain, Charvi, Arna Surana, can you all on your cameras? Arna Surana, Charvi, RV Jain, you're perfect. Navya Mehta, you're perfect. Niyati, can I see yours? Niyati, you are perfect. Charvi, can I see yours? Charvi,
This is mine.
perfect. Charvi, you're perfect. Arna Surana, can I see yours? It's perfect. Everyone is perfect. Now we move to the next step. The people who are not taking names, I just saw yours. Everybody's is perfect. Everybody, you're perfect.
I'm done. Are we almost
Asiya, Pandey, Arya, you're all perfect. Samyak, Jain, Arya, you're all perfect. Now we'll move to the next step. We are running out of time. Ma'am, can I move to the next step?
Yes, Riddhi, please. We have to finish by 12 o'clock.
Yeah, the next step is you have to take all the six and just paste it like this. This is one of yours, one of your fold. This is the other. You just have to stick it. Just apply glue on one side of the. You just apply glue on one side of your one compartment like this. Like this.
But only four are coming.
You have to adjust it. See, I'm just showing you. Just apply glue. Do it with me, you will get all the six. Just apply glue on one and stick both of them. And press them. You can press them by putting both of your fingers inside and press. Like this, you have to do it with all. I'm going to show it. Please do step by step. Apply glue. And you have to stick it. Next step again.
Miss, we have to take 6.
You have to join all the 6 like how I am doing. Make sure the compartments are in front and not in the back. It's like this. It has to look something like this. After you're done sticking 3, again apply glue on one side. And stick the other.
I don't understand because only 4 will fit.
No, see, I'll just show you. See, I have more space even after sticking 4.
How
Are you
did
able to
you
find?
How you stick 2?
See, that's what I'll do it. You just follow me.
Okay.
See, just take one of them. Can I know your name?
Shweta Jain. Shweta Jain.
Shweta ji, can you show me yours?
Sure.
I was saying to wait for some time.
I sticked 2 like this. So how should I attach the third one?
Yeah, everyone just follow me again. I'm gonna do it again. Just take one of your fold. Just take one. Yes. Now apply glue on one side. You can also make it with 4, 5, but this is hexagon. So we are using 6 of them. After applying glue on one side, you have to stick the other. Like this. Are you getting it?
Done with it.
Shweta, Jain, are you getting it?
I sticked 2. One
Yeah,
second.
perfect. Now take the third one.
One second. I'm not done sticking both of mine.
After you're done with the second one, you have to take the third one. Yes, you have to do 4 like this, and after that you will have some space in the middle. See, I've stuck 4 very closely to each other, not left even a single gap. After sticking 4, I've got so much space. And the other one which we did, you just have to apply glue and stick the other one.
Mine is not coming out like that. I can only fit 4.
Yeah, see, you have to stick everything together very nicely like this. No gap should be there. You will surely get it like mine if you do it.
But wait,
And
how did you do it? Did you do it in a different way than me?
no, see,
Because
once you're done sticking 4, you will have some space in the middle. Don't stick all the 4 together.
wait,
Just
I
stick one by one. If you don't stick one by one, you will only get 4.
stick. Oh, then how
One
should
by one.
one by one?
If you have done with 4, it's okay. You can do the others together. Again, you can make more too, and you can have 2 pen holders. But you won't get an hexagon shape like this if you do it with 4.
Wait, so but I still don't understand how you get them.
Are you done sticking all the 4? Are you done sticking?
No, I only stick 2 right now.
Yeah, can you tell me your name, please?
Shweta Jen.
Yeah, can I see yours once? Shweta, I'll help you with it. Shweta.
Okay, 1 second.
I'm done. I was able to put all 6.
Perfect. Ayan, you're very good.
I stick.
Ayan, very good. Everyone is good. Shweta,
I sticked 2.
Shweta, is it 4? Oh, is it?
I sticked 2 only right now. And now what do I do?
Shweta, after doing 2, what you have to do is just apply glue on one side, only one side. See, Shweta,
Wait.
only on one color, only on one side.
Oh, wait. Oh, I think I know what
I'm done.
You have to try fixing all of them together. There shouldn't be any gaps.
Okay. Let me try.
This is your 3rd one. You just have to apply glue here and stick this like, and then if you after this, if you have to do for the 4th one, it's like this, and you have some space in the middle.
No, sit.
Wait.
I'm done.
Sit. 1 minute.
1 minute. What is the next step?
Nah.
Mama. Mom, is mine perfect?
Can I know your name?
Ayan.
Mama, Papa को call back perfect. Ma'am, is my perfect? I am.
You are perfect. Yeah, I'm taking everybody's name. Name.
Perfect.
So we'll go quickly because the time is up. Can you all show me
What
yours?
we have to? Ma'am, is this perfect?
All of you who have doubts, you can ask me at the end of the session. I'll tell it to you again once.
Ma'am, is this perfect?
I'm gonna take names. Just listen carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Can everybody show me theirs?
Ayan, go. Your teacher is asking. Show.
Ma'am, is
Ma'am,
I'm taking everybody's name.
Everybody, can you please mute yourself? Riddhi will call out all the names one by one. There's a voice conflict if everybody unmutes at one time. So please just mute yourself.
I'm going to
Riddhi, can you call
everybody.
out each name and just confirm quickly everybody is
Yes,
okay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Can everybody show me their pen holders? Can they show me, please? Freya, can I show yours? Please on your cameras quickly because we don't have much time. Freya, you've not done? Yeah, you just have to stick all of them together, Freya. You're perfect.
It's not ready yet.
Tanish, you're perfect. Ayan, you're perfect. Jayan, can everybody please show theirs? Please. We are running out of time. The meeting will end. I won't be able to help you. Please. Redmi, you're perfect.
Ma'am, is mine perfect? Ma'am,
You're
this is perfect.
Everyone, please wait. Everyone, please wait. Please. Chetna, you're perfect. AB5982, you're perfect. Ridhima and Tani, you're perfect. Shweta, Jane, are you done? Atika, you're perfect. Navya Mehta, you're perfect. Aditya Kanta, you're perfect.
Ma'am, this is perfect.
Himesh Bhandari, you're perfect. Niyati, yours. Navya Mehta. Almost everyone is perfect. Everyone is perfect. All of you are not. You're not able to do. Please wait till the end of the. I'll help you with. I'll help you at the end of the meeting. After you're done with this, take a hard. As I told you in the materials needed, we need a hard paper, hard chart paper or invitation card. Yes, are you all ready? Yes, you just have to keep your pen holder on top of this. You have to apply glue. You have to apply glue on the lines, these lines. It's okay if it drops inside. It will get dried. Is everyone able to see?
Yes.
Just apply glue like this. It's okay if it falls, let it dry. And after you're done applying glue all over the pen holder, all the lines, you just have to stick it to the paper, hard paper, invitation card or hard paper. Any hard paper you can use. After that, with any waste paper, you can just clean the excess Fevicol coming out. You just have to take a paper or any cloth and just remove the excess glue coming out. Gently just press it. Press the pen holder gently. Are you all done sticking? After sticking, you just have to cut it in the corners with the scissor. You just have to cut the excess paper. Like this. Like this. You just have to cut the excess. You just have to cut. Just let it dry for just 2 minutes. Or you can also cut it later after it dries. Till that, if you have a ribbon, take the ribbon and just you just have to fold it like this. Just have to fold it like this. We're going to make the handle for our pen holder. Just have to fold it. And you just have to cut this a little bit. And you have to apply glue over here on the. You just
Is it compulsory to keep the handle?
No.
No, it's your wish. If you want to make a handle, you can. But it's convenient to carry it anywhere. It will hold weight.
Okay.
I have made one of this and it holds a lot of weight. You can just cut it and you just have to make a handle. You just have to stick it. Just apply glue on the opposite compartment and just leave some space on the top and stick. Press it gently. This is optional. If you want to do, you can do it. Now we will do the border like this. If you want, you can do it. It's optional, or else you can just keep it and decorate it however you want. After cutting the bottom, this is the final look you will get after cutting this. After this, your pen stand is ready.
Thank you so much, madam, for teaching us a lovely craft.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, to teach us this beautiful craft.
Thank you for
teaching us a very awesome craft.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Everyone listen, tomorrow we will have the same kind of craft session. Wait, everyone.
Thank
Tomorrow,
you for the craft.
can you just wait? I have an announcement.
Thank you, ma'am, to teach us.